The next muscle in our muscle series is going to be Flexor Pollicis Brevis. So we've already covered Flexor Pollicis Longus, and whenever you have a pair of muscles with a brevis and a longus, longus is going to be the bigger, longer head, and brevis is going to be the smaller balancer muscle head. So there's a few different muscles we're going to get at right here in the meat of the thumb. This is going to be Flexor Pollicis Brevis. The origin of this muscle is the flexor retinaculum, which lives through here. And if you don't remember what a retinaculum is, it's a fascial sheet that keeps the tendons from popping out all the way from here to here. They keep them locked down on the body and give them a groove to slide through. So the flexor retinaculum is basically a fascial sheet through here that holds all of these tendons down. So the Flexor Pollicis Brevis fascially attaches to that retinaculum. It also attaches to a tubercle of the trapezium bone, which is part of the wrist over here. And the deeper head of this attaches to the trapezoid and capitate bones of the wrist. So that attaches down in here to all of these different attachments and comes up through here and attaches to the lateral aspect of the proximal phalanx. And so that is going to be roughly right in here. So again, if you can imagine attachments through here that come up and attach here, what that's going to do is it's going to take the thumb that way into flexion, right? So the longest head comes down and attaches further down the thumb to here, and that's both going to lift the thumb that way, but also curl the very top of it when it's really firing. For this muscle, you're really more just bringing the thumb and pinky together. And so the point of this is to bring the thumb that way and flex it that way. And so you can get right in the meat of it right here. And it's a tiny little muscle, so a little bit goes a long way. Scale of 1 to 10, Brianna just doing this back and forth inside the muscle probably feels like a, 7, 6? She's lying. And again, so there's a couple different ways to release this. If I find it, I should see the thumb move in that direction. And so if I press into it, I should be bringing the thumb towards the palm. And then if I pin it down with this thumb and just move it away with the other hand, I'm going to get a nice pin and stretching kind of release on the muscle.